Oxcord is Illuminati confirmed. Hold on to your cheeks, because shit is going down. Whoa. Wait, take a look at this. Did you see it? Let's take a closer look. 3.5 times 2 is 7. 7-Up is a soda. Soda is a drink. Drink. Drink rhymes with kink. If there is a kink in your oxcord, your music will sound like this.
Look at this photograph.
Chad Kroger. Chad Kroger has blonde hair. Blonde hair is recessive. Recessive. Recession. Apple was a company during the recession in 2008. Apple sold more than 2.5 million Macs and 4.3 million iPhones in 2008. What do a Mac and an iPhone have in common? That's right. An oxcord. What does the iPhone 7 not have? That's right. An oxcord. iPhone 7. 7 rhymes with Kevin. Kevin James. Kevin James is a mall cop. Kevin James is also the king of Queens. Take a look at this evidence. Did you see it? 3 people. Steve Jobs was once 3. The name Steve has 3 easy as the 5th letter of the alphabet. The alphabet has 26 letters. 26 minus 5 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 rhymes with Kevin. 21 divided by 7 is 3. There is the number 3 and 3.5mm jack. Audio jack. Whoa. Wait. Take a look at this. There is no audio jack. Do you know what this means? What is Apple trying to tell us? Are audio jacks a mind-controlling device implemented by the Illuminati? Has Apple figured this out? Perhaps the release of the iPhone 7 is a secret operation deployed in order to save humanity. Oxcord is Illuminati confirmed.